Hi guys, welcome to this channel. This channel is dedicated to do a lot of videos for Swig, for training people, showing people how they can open their wallet, the Bitcoin wallet. As you know, we are moving toward the blockchain, towards the crypto market. So it is I made it my initiative to actually start to record this video to show people in different countries on how they can create their wallet and be able to fund their account, buy Bitcoins and be able to fund their account in Crew. Okay guys, so I will appreciate, I just want to ask you two things. If you can subscribe, if you can click this button here to subscribe to my channel, so that you know, it doesn't cost you anything, so that I get my channel get to be visible a lot, so many people from in our company, they can find these useful videos. Okay, the next thing you can do is, once you hit subscribe, is to also go to hit subscribe like that. You will see this bell button here. It's very important to click on it so that when I upload the video, you will be able to see the videos. Okay, I hope it will be useful for all of you guys, and yes, I have dedicated my time to try to do that. So these are the two favors I would like to ask you guys. So if you can hit that subscribe button, this one, and then make sure you click this bell button so that you don't miss any video that I will be uploading. Okay, thank you very much. I will speak to you soon. Hi guys, to all my people in South Africa. I thought that I will record this quick video to show you the steps of Luno, because I can see many people are having issues in buying the crypto and top it up in the back office of Swig or Crypto Unit. So let me just show you this just quickly, to just show you how you can create an account and verify your account and fund your account. All right, this is the first step of the series of creating an account on Luno. All right, I'm still looking for other exchanges, but so far this is the account I can see that allows you to buy the crypto using your bank transfer. Okay, let's start. So when you come here, you will see that a sign up button, a big blue one like this one. So you need to click on it, and then you need to just put your email and a password, right? All right. So I am from this place, so I'll just do that. Okay. So I want the latest news, and if you're in South Africa, obviously you select South Africa. But this exchange is mainly for South Africa. Okay. So I click sign up. All right. That's easy now. So I need to go to my email and click the activation to confirm my email. Okay, so I've checked my email and I can see the email from Luno. So before we get left, you're off to the new crypto world, please confirm the email. So you see this big button here. I just need to click email to confirm, and that should take me to the back office of Luno. So I just need to click continue, because now that email is verified. Okay guys, so to create an account is as simple as 1, 2, 3, basically. Okay, and in here you need to put your mobile number. Obviously mine is here, so you need to put your mobile number, which is I'm going to put mine. But when you're in South Africa, this should be your number in South Africa. Okay, your mobile number with international code here, we +27, and your number without the 0. Alright, and then you just click next. So now they will send me a text to confirm, which they just did. Confirm this number belongs to me. So make sure you put the right number, otherwise you might not get this text. There we go. So the first step is finished. So now the next step, I'm going to set up the profile and do the verification process. Okay, see you in the next video, step 2.